All right, YouTube, we're going to make a really fast French bread pizza. Start off with crushed tomatoes with basil. And you want to put some sauce on there. And do the same with the other piece of bread. All right, so when you have the sauce down there, take some garlic powder and put on there. And either use pizza seasoning or Italian seasoning. I'm going to use Italian seasoning because that can be found everywhere in every country. All right, YouTube, so put the bread in there, push it in there and do it at 400 at 2 minutes, and we'll see you after that. All right, YouTube, so that's done. Take a really good mozzarella and provolone rustic cut, and the thing you're going to want to do is just place your cheese on top, put on as much as you want. It really doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if it falls into the basket, but just put on what you need. All right, YouTube, so we have the cheese on there. And stick it in there, and we're going to try something different. All right, YouTube, hit broil. You want it on 2 minutes for 400. And we're going to broil the cheese. So if you can see it now, YouTube, it's on broil instead of air fry. We want to broil that cheese right onto the bread. And there you have it, YouTube. French bread pizza with the broiled cheese. That comes out so delicious. And there you have it again, YouTube. Another look. Broiled cheese, French bread pizza. Please hit the like, subscribe. Many more air fryer recipes to come.